So this afternoon, we're here with Chris Natale from Linnaeus, and Chris has been speaking with us a little bit about the creation of his company and the work that they're doing. So Chris, welcome, and thank you for spending some time with us.
Thanks.
I'd like to hear again a little more about what it was like for you. You were a graduate student at Penn, and you were doing some research and had some discovery. Can you tell us about that?
Yeah, so the entire process that led up to the formation of Linneaus Therapeutics was really just, you know, organic scientific research. So we were interested in studying how sex hormones can influence melanocyte and melanoma biology. And we learned that estrogen signaling through a relatively new estrogen receptor could modulate the differentiation state of melanocytes and also play a role in inhibiting the growth of melanoma cells. So we formed Linneaus Therapeutics to try and translate some of this biology because we thought that targeting this receptor could help a lot of people. So we formed Linneaus in 2016. And then we were able to secure some STTR funding from the NIH, which allowed us to really start the process of translating the biology. After closing our first round of financing, we were able to move the science through all of the IND-enabling experiments to check for toxicity and manufacture the drug in preparation of starting our phase 1 clinical trial, which began in October of 2019. So that study's currently, and we're really excited to see, where this ends up. So.
Chris, that's an amazing story. You must have been so excited in the early stage of discovery that you were onto something that you hadn't anticipated. Can you say a word or two about that moment?
Yeah, I mean, scientific research, it's sometimes it's hard to see, the big victory, when, day to day, it's a series of small battles of, troubleshooting experiments and interpreting data. But it is really exciting when you start to see the big picture come together and you start to realize how you can, apply what you're learning about the biology to create something that may be able to positively impact, a real person one day. And it's been, super exciting and encouraging to see this unfold. And, we're at the cusp of being able to realize this. So, yeah, I mean, it's a fantastic process and we're excited to see where this goes.
So say a little bit more about your organization. I know you have a couple people working with you. You have lab work going on at Pennovation, and you have administrative offices in South Jersey.
Yep.
Just a quick momentary overview of where the company stands today.
Yeah, the company, we're a really small team. So we have 3 full-time employees and a large team of consultants that can serve to fulfill all of the other, expertise you need to move a drug from the lab into the clinic. And we have, like you said, we have our business office in Haddonfield, New Jersey. We do all of our scientific research out of the Penn Center in Philadelphia. And, we've been utilizing CROs all around the globe to do all of the work necessary to push the science forward.
Terrific. That's great. Well, Chris, thank you for spending some time with us this afternoon. And we're counting on your continued success. We're so excited about what you're up to.
All right. Thank you so much.